AI Detector-Free tool useful for beginners. For anyone new to content review, an AI Detector-Free tool offers a simple, accessible starting point for checking text, understanding writing patterns, and building confidence with digital content. Students, writers, teachers, freelancers, and office users can all incorporate it naturally into their everyday writing routine. Beginners typically want something clear, quick, and easy to use, and a free AI detector fits that need without overwhelming them with unnecessary steps or complexity. The process is straightforward. Paste your text, check the result, and move on. Over time, regular use builds awareness of how sentence flow, tone, and wording affect the overall feel of content. Valuable lessons for school assignments, blog drafts, emails, and more. A clean interface and quick results matter far more to beginners than advanced features they may never use or need. A neat layout lets users focus on their text rather than navigating a confusing platform, while fast checking fits naturally into daily tasks like reviewing homework, polishing emails, or refining short reports. Beyond text checking, the tool adds structure to the editing process. Write a draft, review it, run a check, then refine for better flow. This approach supports learning by doing, helping beginners gradually develop a stronger instinct for natural, readable writing while building confidence before submission. A good starting tool should offer easy text input, a simple results format, a clean layout, and smooth performance across mobile and desktop, nothing more complicated than what everyday writing tasks actually demand.
Go to GearBrain for more information.